Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today is the day this green Mini returns back to its owner, and I'm very excited to do a handover. It's been a long time. An awful lot of work's gone into the car, and it's just been in storage since it was finished. So yeah, looking forward to getting the car back to him, and then I think the plan is it's going to get painted or prepped and painted, and then it'd be amazing to see it back and do a little feature on it once it's complete. So short one today. I'm going to get the floor pans and the rugs and stuff off. I'm going to get the car outside. I have just done a little bit of prep, and I've moved my car, which hopefully it's still there. There it is. My little Mini. Maybe the time to sell it next year. Not sure yet, but anyway, so got a few foot pieces to move. Got the kids' golf clubs and stuff that need to get out of the way. I'll get the car outside ready for Gareth's arrival. It's pretty fresh today. Anyway, hope you all had a great Christmas. My Christmas was fantastic. The kids loved it, and can't grumble in the slightest. It was a really good time. So let's get the car outside. Hopefully he'll be here soon. Strapped and ready to go. Better get this stuff outside, otherwise that's going to go everywhere. It's been a hello project. I really enjoyed it. And there she goes. Engine's in the back. Mini is gone. It's quite sad, really. It's been here for quite a while, but I've now got some space back. Maybe I'll park Rusty in the garage for the time being. Let's move some stuff around. So Rusty's back in the garage, and needs a very good amount of TLC. Look at the paintwork. Ugh. Anyway, that's for another video, another day. But thank you so much for watching. It's been a while since I did any work on this car on camera, but it's great to now see it back with Gareth, and I'm looking forward to what he's going to do next. We're just discussing the next steps of what he's going to plan on, which I think have changed slightly from originally. So maybe this period of storage has been good for the car, because it's now going to have a bit of a reimagined look. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing that back on the road, and he said that during the rebuild there may be a few phone calls, so maybe we'll see that car again. But yeah, Rusty's in the garage, and Miss Minnie's here as well, so I just need to sort of organise a bit through the middle, and it's lovely to have my car back in the dry again. Wonderful. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this content and other content I do, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.